Is your neural clock sabotaging your reality? Here's a surprising, scientific spiritual antidote to rebuild the illusion of time and recover an eternity of presence. The anxiety you feel when looking at the clock isn't a reminder of your mortality. It's the symptom in your cognitive matrix, a phenomenon that neuroscience calls stress-induced perceptual temporal compression. It's not the world speeding up. It's your brain, in survival mode, sacrificing the resolution of the present for the speed of processing illusory future threats. You're trading the depth of your existence for the speed of your reactivity. Do you feel like time is slipping through your fingers like sand? Stop fighting the clock and start collaborating with it. Master the architecture of your temporal experience and access a state of flow where productivity, peace, and purpose coexist in an expanded present. Is time scarcity a neural fallacy? Neuroscience and quantum physics reveal that time is a malleable dimension of consciousness. Discover the neuroquantum keys to expanding your temporal reality, reprogramming your chronic stress, and accessing the infinite time present in every moment. Turn illusion into your greatest resource. Mindfulness practices reverse this process. By anchoring your awareness to a single stimulus, your breath, a sound, you deactivate autopilot and forge new neural pathways of presence. Each moment of mindfulness is a miniature Big Bang that expands your inner universe. How many Big Bangs of consciousness are you ignoring today while planning for a future that exists only as a probabilistic projection? The heart generates a powerful electromagnetic field that influences brain function and perception. A coherent heart, in a state of appreciation and compassion, sends signals to the brain that facilitate access to states of expanded perception and synchronicity. Your heart literally tunes your reality to a frequency where time becomes more flexible. If your heart is the reality tuner, what frequency are you tuning into? The chaos of fear or the coherence of presence? This is a call to alchemical action. Before beginning a task, pause. Take 3 deep breaths. Declare your intention. In this task, I will fully inhabit each micromoment. During the task, when your mind wanders to the future stress or past regret, engage in sensory contact. Feel the texture of the paper, the temperature of the air, the weight of your body in the chair. This sensory anchoring is your portal back to the now. Then, celebrate. Consciously acknowledge the state of flow, even if it lasts for seconds. This strengthens the neural circuitry of presence. When you feel time speeding up, ask yourself with genuine curiosity, not panic, what am I giving up right now by rushing toward an imagined future? This question acts like a benevolent mental virus, interrupting the pattern of compulsion and installing one of reflective curiosity. The ultimate paradox is this: by fully surrendering to the finitude of the present moment, you access its inherent infinity. You cease to be a terrified passenger on a speeding train and become the architect of the landscape you traverse. Time is not your enemy, it is the canvas. Your trained consciousness, the brush, your coherent heart, the paint. If the compressed perception of time is a neural construct induced by fear, what interdimensional realities and what depths of experience are you missing out on at this very moment by refusing to perform the boldest of acts? To stop counting seconds and start making seconds count. Eternity is not an infinite line forward. It is the infinite depth that beats at the core of every now that you choose to fully inhabit.